All new tonight, 7 families out thousands of dollars. They claim one landlord promised all of them the same house. ABC Action News reporter Ryan Smith digging for answers tonight in Holiday for us. Ryan?
Jameson, will take a look. This is how it all started. This Craigslist ad states, "Look no more." But tonight, several families are telling me that's exactly what they're forced to do after forking over hundreds, if not thousands of dollars in deposits and advanced rent. 7 families.
They told me that I could move in the first week of April.
With the same story.
I never thought in a lifetime that I would be used like this whatsoever.
Everyone standing outside of 4802 Woodfield Avenue, expected to be moved in by now. Lita Music says she got a phony lease and a set of keys that don't work, but she's out $1,300.
We have been homeless since the 8th. All of our stuff's been in a U-Haul.
These renters say they responded to a Craigslist ad, saw the place in person, and paid cash up front.
I just want a home for my babies.
But when Amy Kobolink showed up to move in, she and many others discovered they were locked out.
And for me to save and get this place was a big step for me, and I was so excited to get my kids out of a mobile home and into a nice home. And it's not going to happen now.
After several calls for help.
So who's out money? Let's start there.
All of us, yeah.
Everybody's out money. Okay.
Pasco County deputies responded to the house, but the woman inside refused to answer the door. 2 months of questions and $3,200 in the hole. And why show up today?
I want my money back.
Farrah Hippie says she paid a steep price, acting on good faith.
I'm a single mom with 2 kids. How could you do that to people?
And we did make several attempts to reach out to the owner or landlord tonight, but have yet to hear back. The Pasco County Sheriff's Office is investigating this case and these families. They just hope to get some answers very soon. Live in Holiday, Ryan Smith, ABC Action News.